healthy
Yeah.
snacks that I cannot eat because it has peanuts, I think. Oh wait, no it doesn't.
Peanuts!
There you go. Enjoy. Oh wait, I think this does have peanuts. Peanuts. Oh, I can't eat these. Wait. Peanuts!
Peanuts.
Peanuts!
Peanuts.
I can't eat these, I'm sorry. My throat will be itchy. Oh yeah, wait, look at this!
This tastes like dildo.
What?
Yes.
It's supposed to be healthy. Wait, look.
No, that's good.
Yes. Wait, and look at this.
Oh, that's good.
No, wait.
Oh, what the fuck?
It has Donkey Kong Country and every Kirby game on it.
I get like socks.
I got socks too!
How do you do everything better than me?
No, I don't.
Name 5 things I do.
You own a gym.
Not really. I'm never there.
You started OnlyFans.
Not really. I'm never there. You have cheddar.
I have cheddar.
Cheddar, get away from my feet.
What else does he do? You're better at Mario 64. I can't eat those. Wait, look.
Yeah, I'm jealous. Number 2.
Look.
This tastes like packing peanuts.
All the games on it. Why are you still eating it then if you don't like it?
What the fuck?
Isn't that sick? And they actually run too.
Did it come with 2 monitors?
No. Shut up. Why would it come with 2 monitors? Look at this.
This is my grandma's house. How do you get such cool stuff?
Wait, look at this.
I've been asking for Kirby stuff from my
Look at this.
PO box for so
Someone
long.
made this. Wait, look at this.
Yeah, what does she have that I don't? Wow.
Look at these. The same girl made these.
Oh, you can stop now.
But I'm just trying to show you the cool stuff.
Mm.
Do you want a chicken nugget?
I'm on a diet.
He's grabbing a chicken nugget. No, you can't eat those. No.
Cheeseburger?
Cheeseburger. Oh, that's not from the PO box. A girl brought that to me yesterday at the sandwich store. What?
You sure it was a girl?
What? Yes! I literally went up to her and I hugged her too. What do you mean you're sure it was a girl?
I don't know, I saw that line.
I mean...
It looked like a bunch of Asmongold clones showed up to the
Oh
line.
my god! That's
I'm just
so
saying.
rude. What happened to your diet?
Huh?
Your diet?
It's part of my diet. I'm supposed to eat food.
Oh, okay.
Hmm. Well, I came here for something really important.
What? No! You dropped the nugget on the floor too. No! Wait, your cat's right there! Why are you taking my cat? Stop! Dude, you're literally... He likes my... Chompy. He wants cheddar more than you.
Oh, I thought this was Chompy.
No, your cat's fat. And he goes, meow, when you pick him up and he gets pissed. Wait, are these part of your diet too? These are really good.
I can't have that. I'm allergic to peanuts.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I'm not wearing underwear.
Are you serious?
What?
Nothing. What are you doing?
I see girls in anime do that.
You stop. No, do it like sideways for like the angles so they can see you leaning forward.
That's what Kirby does. Hi!
That is Kirby. Oh shit.
Emiru-chan! Is that right? Am I canceled?
That's just gross, I don't know.
Wait, what does it mean?
It's like a cutesy way to say someone's name, I guess.
Okay, so fuck you, I can't say your name like that?
No, because, like, it's super, like, weeb. Like,
Hi.
a guy said that to me unironically when I was in high school, and I literally never talked to him again. It was, like, in the anime club. Wait, but you were joking, right? So...
Chat, I'm going to TwitchCon.
Bye.
Come on, Chat, let's get out of here.
No, Cheddar's my cat. Cheddar, if you follow him, I'm bad at you. Stop snapping! Cheddar! No, don't listen to him. He's the devil. Your cat's in here too, by the way. No! No! My friend! It's fine, Chompy. Dude, you're leaving Chompy! Yikes! You can come back in now, Cheddar. You don't have to pretend to like me. No, come back! I said, Cheddar, come back. You don't have to pretend to like him anymore, and he walked away. No, my rat has been stolen. Cheddar. It's okay, Chompy. Oh, wait. Better? Oh. Hey, you guys can be friends now. Now go play. Oh. Why does Chompy hate Cheddar so much? I feel like they could be such good friends. They both have no tail. They're both stupid. There are 0 balls between the two of them. Oh my god, only 1 penis. Maybe that's why Chompy hates him, because Cheddar still has a penis and he doesn't. Wait, what? Chompy doesn't have a penis. It was removed because he had I don't know what it's called, but like some like crystal thing. Yeah, Chompy has no balls and no penis. Very cool Apex cosplay. Why is Miss in the background of the... I remember this guy though, he had a professional camera, he was just taking pictures of cosplayers.